Για σκαμπίλα έτσι στα μούτρα να σου πω εγώ, άμα κάνεις stop τις βλάκες.
Γιατί κάνεις έτσι?
Πάμε σπίτι! Bloody bastard! Bloody bastard!
Ο Θεός θα με βοηθήσει!
Bloody nearly! I don't like anybody. I don't like no one except myself.
Δεν σου αρέσει κανένας, μόνο εσένα?
Όχι να μπει να φας. We talk about food, we don't talk about bloody beans, the plastic beans. Αν είναι κόκκινα.
Ο φίλος μου είπε ότι πρόσεχε, εσύ το έκανε.
Ναι. Εσύ καλά σπάσω τα μούτρα σε σένα και το φίλο σου άμα τον ευρώ. Άμα τον ευρώ έτσι θα το κάνω. Το φίλο σου. Φίλο σου. Εγώ δεν τον έχω δει στο σπίτι μας.
Did you film me with your fucking friends?
No, I didn't.
You didn't film me? Show me all the videos now of your fucking friends.
I'm doing it now, I promise.
Sit down. Sit down, I want to see them.
My bed's dirty now.
Oh, you're just a pig in here.
Well, that's not very nice to say to your son.
You're just a pig in here. Pigs live like this. Show me your friends. Hello, friends. Jet's gonna be locked up. Hello, friends.
Can you please?
Child protection.
Mom,
services
stop
is
breathing
on
in my
you.
face.
That's okay, because you're
Are you gonna
recording.
kiss me? That's how...
Friends of Jet.
Mom,
CPS,
stop.
Child Protection Services is on to you guys. Enjoy your social media for as long as it lasts. It's not gonna last long.
Listen to me! Να κάνω τράβη!
Έχει κάρο πίσω σου, πρόσεξε.
Τώρα λοιπόν έτσι σταματάω και θα δεις ποιος είναι ο Παναγάκης.
Hey!
Πού είναι?
Πω.
It's going straight right now. Σπάσω.
What are you doing? Why did you say you're just gonna bash me? Why did you say that? You're scaring me. Dog.
Go in the car! Go in the car!
Don't hit me.
Go in the car!
Ποιος? Who?
Σπάσω.
What are you doing?
Ωραία στο σχολείο μέσα.
Πόσα?
Σε φτιάξω εγώ με σχολείο.
Σε ρωτάω πόσα.
Πόσα?
Ναι. Πόσα?
Και μπείτε με τα τηλέφωνα και με το φίλο σου. Τρέπεσαι λιγάκι.
Αφού μας λέει έτσι ο φίλος μου συνέχεια και εκείνος θέλει βοήθεια, δεν είναι καλά.
That's my car, eh?
Family have had a lucky escape this morning. A car has crashed into their house.
Haven't got all of the world from the hood.
Don't touch my car, δεν τη φας τώρα τη μύτη σου.
Die Tschotschen kamen από εκείνα και pages. Δεν είναι μεγάλο πρόβλημα. Σε παρακαλώ.
I drop the school and I'm going home.
Calm down, παππού. Calm down.
Ας τα φτάρε που σες βλάκιες.
You need medication.
Τι έκανες, ρε? Τι έκανες, ρε? Σπάσω τα μούτρα, αρίγγιο. Αρίγγιο φάδα.
Τι? Γιατί κάνεις έτσι, παππού? Ησυχία, please. Calm down.
Σε φάω τώρα να με χέσεις.
Γιατί να σε χέσω, τι σου έκανα?
Τι μου κάνεις εδώ, ρε?
Die Tschotschen Camel 10-pin δεν ήταν μεγάλο πρόβλημα. Δεν είναι μεγάλο πρόβλημα αυτό. Γίνεται μήκος από εκείνα. Μην ευριάζεσαι, φωνάζεις πάλι. Και μη με φωνάζεις βλαμμένο. Δεν είμαι βλαμμένο. Μη με ξαναφωνάξεις βλαμμένο. Εγώ δεν σου έκανα τίποτα, δεν σε φωνάζω τίποτα εγώ. Τίποτα σε φωνάζω. Ούτε βλαμμένο ούτε θηρίο. Εσύ μου λες ότι θέλεις εσύ να πας να τα λες σε άλλα people. Τι κάνεις? Σχολείο δεν πάμε? Πού πας να σκοτωθείς στον δρόμο? Σχολείο είπαμε πάμε.
Listen!
Σχολείο πάμε, γιατί?
Πρόσεξε, θα σε σκοτώσω!
Τι σου έκανα ρε παππού? Όμορφο παππούλι μου, τι σου έκανα? Αχ, θέλεις medication, το ξέρεις? Εγώ ποτέ φωνάζω, ποτέ φωνάζω.
Θα πεις εσύ το φίλο σου σκάτα.
Γιατί φωνάζεις?
Φωνάζω.
Ναι, γιατί φωνάζω. Εγώ τι σου έκανα? Εγώ ποτέ φωνάζω, ποτέ. Με είδες εμένα να φωνάζω ή εγώ?
See, what happens inside the shop? I don't care about the people. Να γελάνε. You come outside here. You come inside the shop with the people. You come. Σε πέτα για πάνω που θα πας. Δεν έχω πετυχόνιο. Έτσι, σταματάω και θα δεις ποιος είναι ο Παναγάκης.
Δεξιά.
Τι είμαι εγώ? Φίλος σου?
Μεγάλο.
Λάγω το κάρο μου και τα λεφτά μου για σκουπίδια. Μούτρα. Να το ξέρεις. Και σένα και όλους.
Τι σου έκανα, παππούλη?
Δεν θα με κάνετε εσύ καμένα, γιατί εσύ θες να βλέπεις τα ράμπες, τα σκουπίδια, το κέμπετ σκουπίδια. Τα βλέπω και στο σπίτι.
Είναι Μάικουμπ εκείνο.
Ρε τα φρένα!
Ο φίλος μου τι λέει? Γιατί φωνάζεις? Calm down, Mike, calm down.
Πρόσεξε, γιατί εγώ τώρα θα ρωτήσω τη μάνα σου και θα δεις τι θα σας σκοτώσω όλους. Πρόσεξε. Έλα εδώ. Go inside the car.
Do you think I'm dumb
Come here.
to walk right in front of you?
Come inside the car.
Why?
Come inside the car. Hey, you got home. Άρα το κάσα λίγο για Altona. Right, I stop in the road and I smash you all die here in Altona. Alright?
You're gonna smash me all day.
All die here, yes.
That's what happens when you're not looking. You almost got into a car accident.
After that's it, finish to die here in Altona. Who you are? Who you are?
You called me a devil before.
Who you are? You are devil.
That's not very nice to say to your grandson when I respect you.
Your Qantas points earning credit card is the
Shut the door, eh?
Yes.
and everywhere. So wherever the destination,
Shut the door.
get there soon.
Yes,
with
shut
up to
the door.
150,000
Shut the
Qantas
door,
points.
eh?
Plus for a minute.
Don't make me. Don't use the telephone in the car. Don't use the telephone in the car.
I'm not. I'm using it for maps.
Shut the telephone.
How am I supposed to put maps on then?
I don't go to the maps. I don't go to the maps.
Then how are you gonna get home if you don't know how to get home? Who's a devil?
Where is it going now, eh?
Why are you doing this? Just go straight. Why? I don't want to open the door. I'm scared.
Yeah, but don't talk with anybody else.
It's my telephone, Papu. You know that.
Why you close semana? Se desa do mesa. Don't.
Can you please stop your behavior?
Why you make me a photo? Why?
To show my friends.
To show your friends to laugh with me, eh?
And not just to show my friends, but also because I'm scared.
Don't do anything in my car like this business.
I'm not
Γιατί θα σε
touching.
πιάσω από το λαιμό.
I'm not videoing
Θα
you.
στο σπάσω.
What? You're gonna spasi? Why?
Why you make me a video, eh?
Okay, can we just stop?
Why you to make a video me? Why?
Because you keep abusing me.
I don't want it to make me.
Well, every time I stop it, you keep abusing
I'm
me.
saying this car, not again. I bring home.
What?
Close the door.
What are you? What's wrong? Σου είπα να πάμε σπίτι του εδώ.
Stay here all day.
Why?
Stay here all day.
Why?
I'm not going nowhere. Just like an idiot.
I don't understand what you're doing.
Like an idiot. Don't take me that. Don't take me photo, eh? Το φίλο σου.
I don't understand this guy, man. Every time I try to put... Never mind.
Don't say to me filo again.
All right.
Don't ask me for filo again.
He made my nose bleed as well, but it's only a bit at least.
Kill me to die. Never on my life.
What do you mean? How come you keep stopping in the
You
middle?
make me sick. You make me sick. I can't drive.
You're making me sick. You just keep stopping in the middle of the road. Just keep going. How come you keep putting your brakes on? There's not any lights. You can go. There's no need to stop in the middle of nowhere. Just calm down.
Why you making me photo? Why you making me photo?
I'm not.
Why? Shut that bloody thing. I explain to you. I drop on the farms here. I see your habits. You come outside in a minute.
That's not very nice. Ah, now to this way.
Shut that bloody rubbish. And then, all my life, that's it. Don't ask me anymore to go.
Why are you doing this to me?
You hit me.
What do you mean you hit me? You're the one hitting me. Exactly. Don't hit me now because I'm videoing you. All right,
Come to me photo.
are you ready now?
Or die here.
Are you ready now?
Or die.
Can we leave, please, Papu?
Nah, you stay here or die.
Can we? But
What I'm doing here.
why should we stay here all day? Is there a reason to stay here? Do you want to see?
I'm not driving. Stay here.
It's the next
I
street.
don't care. I don't care. You stay here or die.
It's the next
I
street.
don't care.
It's right
Don't
there.
care. You
Why are
stay
you
here
doing this?
and you stay here. Then
Why are you doing
I
this
call a
business again?
taxi to go home.
Papu, listen to me, please.
Go a taxi.
You need to go straight. It's up there.
Straight. Start from today. This morning.
If you don't know, I can put maps on.
What is that pastora, eh?
Right.
No, hit me, eh?
Why were you gonna hit me?
Hit me.
No,
Why you play with this?
because I can. I can video you if I want.
Me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You were about to kick me then.
Photo there, not me.
Photo
Not me.
there?
Don't
What
make,
about there?
Don't make me photo.
I am taking a photo of this shop.
Take photos to show your friends. Take photos to show your friends.
My friends?
Yeah. Take photos.
You like my friends? Who? But you said that my friends are a bastard. Eh?
You too. Stay here. Yeah, I'm going home.
No, I'm coming with you. You can't leave me by myself.
I tried to don't make me photo.
What are you doing?
Put him inside the telephone in there.
Why? It's my telephone.
Put inside. Don't touch my car.
Τα λεφτά πίσω.
Don't touch my car.
Hey!
Don't touch my car.
Why are you hitting me?
Don't touch my car.
Why are you hitting me? You just hit me real bad then.
Go home.
I'm gonna get a bruise now.
Fuck.
Watch it.
Where am I talking? Yeah.
Where? But I don't know where it is. It should be on that side somewhere.
Shut the door.
Ποιος?
Shut the door.
Αυτό?
Shut the door.
But you're scaring me. Hey!
Shut the door.
Calm down. You need to calm down. Είσαι εδώ.
Γιατί.
Hey! Πρόσεξε. Σιγά, stop it. Με χτύπησε. Turn here.
Don't talk to me. Σκασμός. Don't talk to me when I'm going. Why from the beginning? Why you tell me to drive me here? I'm driving where I like it.
Because I told you, because you were almost about to have a car accident.
That's you wrong, that's them wrong.
And you need to stay here to calm down for a couple minutes.
Any driver around with the truck. Stinking.
I'm stinking, am I? He needs to go that side too.
Liar. The biggest liar.
I'm not stupid.
Θα μου πεις εμένα ποιος το έκοψε, liar.
You're going the wrong way again. Just listen to me when I put
I never listen to you, that's why.
Alright, so we're gonna...
Leave it to me, I don't care. I'm driving all around I want.
Listen, Papu, you need
Don't listen to me again.
You need to listen to me.
Be careful.
We're gonna end up in the farms, and you don't want that, do you? I'm gonna put maps on, just listen to me. Well, they're already on, and I already told you where to go, but you didn't listen. You need to make a U-turn here, and you... Oh, I don't know. Uh-oh. Yes? Do you need something? Are you ready to go now? Or are we still staying here all day? What? What are you saying? I can't hear you outside.
Go home and you're gonna see around the truck. You lied to me, huh?
What's he whispering? Nah, he's so scary. Oh, I need fresh air. Yeah, but you're gonna go up...
Melton, yes. I'm going where I like it. You gonna see the bloody beans here?
No.
Why you come in the streets?
Because Maps is putting us the quickest way to home.
Where?
Maps? What do you mean where?
What is it? Maps.
It's on my phone. Maps are on my phone.
You stay here. I'm driving, all right? I'm driving.
You can't just leave me in the middle of nowhere.
Soon I can go home. See who you are, who I am.
What do you mean?
What you mean να το λες στο φίλο σου, not to me. All right? Για να δεις τι θα γίνει εδώ μέσα.
Να, λέω, στο μαγαζίνι πίσω if you want to get something.
Stop here again. I ask the other people again how to go home. Then I fix you up all day.
He was almost about to kick it. He's gonna punch the driver. Είσαι εδώ.
Γιατί?
Hey, πρόσεξε. Σιγά, stop it.
I can't hear.
Αλλά πάμε, κάνε το τσιγάρο και
Όχι
πάμε.
λίγο φρονά.
Πάμε, γιατί θα χα...
Nah, you stay here, you see your friends here. Your friends, the beans. That's it, you come here to show me all around.
Yes or no?
Όχι.
We need to go home, Papa.
Why you come here, Altona?
Kind of charge? It's okay, you can have your cigarette first. Hey, what happened?
What happens? I see you, what happens? Oh, fucking hell. What's this fucking do here?
Oh, because it's on the gutter, that's why. You parked in a no standing zone. You might get booked.
Why you come around here the streets?
You might get booked.
To see the trucks. Έτσι γιομπίμ. Tak γιομπίμ. That's why you driving it. What's ζω, not. Το κάρο δουλεύει.
It's not. It's not because δεν είναι on αυτό.
I don't care about this.
It's not on. Πρέπει να το κάνει switch on.
It's on.
It's not. Not the car. The car's on, but this you need to.
I don't care about this.
Well,
It's not my telephone.
I've seen it. I've seen you do it before, so I was just saying. Why did fun?
Soon I got home.
Πάμε. Πάμε τώρα. Να μην χάσω ώρα.
Μη μου πεις πουθενά left and right.
Who? Who's an idiot? Σιγά. You're on the wrong line. It's for coming this way. You're on the wrong side of the road. Εδώ. Εκεί. Εδώ. Δεξιά. Εδώ είναι court εκεί μέσα. Εκεί πάνω, maybe. Calm down.
Σε βγαίνει το κάσσα. Σε βγαίνει το κάσσα. You come inside. Βγάλε το δε! Βγάλε το δε! Πάσε το! Σου δώσω μια σπάσω τα μούτρα. What are you doing these days? My job.
You get sometimes you make the bins so heavy that not even a rock star can move them. That's why
You put the mud χορτάρι μέσα, ήταν heavy.
You did it, not me. I would never do something like that. I never fill up.
Ποιος έκοψε το χορτάρι last week?
I cut the grass. That's grass, not mud. You put the mud from the lemon tree. When you cut the lemon tree down, you put all the roots and the logs in there. I know what I'm doing, you know. I'm more smarter than you with this stuff. With this kind of stuff about the truck,
right.
I'm more smarter. You might be smarter about other things, but about
Alright, if you touch anything home,
yeah.
that's why I ring the police. And I smash you when the police in the front on me.
You're gonna smash me with the police?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll be ready.
you be there.
I said I'll be ready. Well, I won't, but what can you do?
Who can beat me?
Huh?
Who can hate me? Who?
Who? I never said someone can hit you.
Even your father can hate me?
My father,
Yeah,
can he?
he can.
Yeah. I don't know, can he? You tell me.
No one. Even George, no one can hate
By
me.
myself?
I tried, don't make me photo.
It's a fire.
Βίντεο αμύδα στο σπάσω.
Ποιο?
Why you got the tracks again? Θα σε χτυπήσω ρε, κάτσε καλά.
There's no need for abuse.
Σπάσω.
What are you doing?
Put him inside the telephone in there.
Why? It's my telephone.
Put Put inside. Don't touch my car, eh?
Τα λεφτά πίσω.
Don't touch my car.
Hey!
Don't touch my car.
Why are you hitting me?
Don't touch my car.
Why are you hitting me? You just hit me real bad then.
Go home.
I'm gonna get a bruise now.
Fuck.
Watch it. Είσαι εδώ.
Γιατί.
Hey, πρόσεξε. Σιγά, stop it.
Σαν δεκά.
Go see the trucks. Stop, stop, stop.
Κόλλη σαν δεκά ρε. Κόλλη σαν δεκά ρε. We got home. We got home. We got home. We got home.
Don't kick me.
Don't mind.
Έχει traffic.
Έχει traffic. Σταμάτα traffic. Έχει traffic.
Δεν μπορώ να πιάσω τα χέρια μου τώρα.
Μην τα πιάνεις στα χέρια σου. Να το traffic. Το είπα.
Τώρα θα πιάσουμε traffic.
Ναι. Και τι θες.
Κοίτα πόσο traffic θα πιάσουμε τώρα.
Έχει traffic. Αφού ξέρεις αυτή την ώρα έχει traffic.
Δεν μου αρέσει το traffic. Εσένα σου αρέσει?
Και γιατί είπες να έρθω από εδώ.
Εγώ σου είπα να έρθεις από εδώ. Εσύ ήρθες μόνος σου.
Και από πού θα πηγαίναμε. Από πού θα πηγαίναμε. Από το...
Έχει traffic. Δεν μ' αρέσει.
Θα σταματήσω εκεί στο εκεί. Αυτός φοράει orange τζάμπα, ο άλλος φοράει yellow τζάμπα. That's it. What's wrong with the colors?
Εγώ δεν είπα τίποτα για τα χρώματα. Εγώ λέω εκείνος που πήγε από την άλλη μεριά.
Αλλά... Άμα με δεις εμένα διάδατα,